No, we're making a fire. Making a fire. We're outside over at his family's place again. There's Tony getting some more wood. Dry wood. He's getting some dry wood. Yeah. Getting a fire going in the pit. Okay. I got a mini waffle maker. Let's try it out. Okay. Look how tiny it is. Goodness gracious. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Okay, it's 350 watts. So, my little Bluetti should be able to handle it because it's like 800 watts. Yes, sweet. After I wiped it out, kind of lousy version of that. I have a cup of pancake mix. Okay, little lights on. Let's pull in 277 watts. Guess I need a spatula. Okay, it's smoking. And they say don't lift it up. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Guess it would help if I shut that off. Okay, pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty small.
It's a mini one.
Yes, I know.
Perfect. That's perfect. So cute. I just cannot sleep. Just cannot sleep. It's 3:30 in the morning on Thursday. I just cannot sleep. I've watched 3 episodes. I've watched 3 episodes of Less Junk, More Journey. The one where they were at the Grand Tetons. That was amazing. So then I watched another video of theirs when they went to the first nuclear plant. That was amazing. Then the third one was when she gave birth to JJ. So, their videos and everything, and how they do everything, and how they explore, is just amazing. Makes me want to charge my GoPro. Makes me want to put some gas in the darn fan and just go. But then reality hits me really darn hard. And I can't do it. But I got some crazy ideas. I'm dying for a cup of tea right now. A cup of tea and to go to the bathroom. And those are my two wishes right now. Go to the bathroom and get a cup of tea. And maybe go back to sleep. But if I get a cup of tea, I'm not going to go back to sleep. So I might as well just go to the bathroom and try to go back to sleep. I try it so hard. But boy, that's got my brain going, woo. We could go here, we could go there, charge a GoPro, let's do it, let's go somewhere, gotta go somewhere. Yeah, and trying to figure out how I can record something really cool for New Year's Eve with my GoPro. Let's just say Tony is in trouble now. Yeah. Okay. We'll see how this all looks. Hopefully it looks good. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. But now I'm all wound up. I want to go somewhere. Has this ever happened to you? I don't know, but I'll do it. I just fed the birds and the squirrel. Richard only had the black sunflower seeds as food. So, at least they got him. Oh, look at that, all flew away. My car must have scared him. Oh, look at the red bird. Oh. Get a picture. Oh, look how pretty. They're like, good morning, people. It's breakfast time. I got him. Richard's probably going to be so mad at me. I went ahead and fed him. Look at all of them. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Hope you guys liked it. They're so cute. Knocking each other out. Knocking each other out for it. Where's the squirrel? He's over there eating some of the sunflowers on the ground. He's like, sunflowers is really not my favorite, but I'll eat it anyway. Yeah, sunflowers are not my favorite, but I'll eat it anyway. He's trying to eat it all before the birds get to it, the little turkey. Little birds are like, hello, little pig. Alright, my little passenger princesses are going along with me today. First stop is Dos Pesos Mexican restaurant. Yeah, that's our first stop today as we're Doordashing. Oh look, I even got these emojis too. Yeah, can you tell I like emojis? Look at their Christmas tree. Yeah. That's their Christmas tree. The Mexican restaurant. Those pesos. The next to it is Subway. Yep. You guys gotta scoot over. We have an order to put in here. Yeah. Hold on to the patana. Okay? Do a good job. Keep it safe. Nice pillow action. Put the patana in a warming bag. Just in case, because we're going to Wayne, Michigan. Good Lord. Alright, let's roll.